While some blades are designed for harsh situations, others are made for camping. Tactical innovation peaked in 2026 with tools made for maximal effect, lightning speed, and raw power. We're looking at the most formidable steel available today, from gigantic folding swords to famous military fixed blades that defy logic. Come along as we count down the world's top 5 lethal and hazardous knives. Tools where superior workmanship and unwavering tactical lethality collide. Now let's get started. Often called a folding sword, the Cold Steel Espada XL is one of the most intimidating blades ever created. This mammoth folder is inspired by the classical Navajo knives of Spain, but built with modern tactical precision. It features a massive 7.5-inch upswept clip-point blade, crafted from premium S35VN alloy steel, ensuring legendary edge retention and piercing power. The overall length reaches an incredible 16.75 inch, making it larger than many fixed-blade combat knives. Despite its size, the ergonomic G10 handle and 7,075 aluminum bolsters keep the weight at exactly 16 ounces. Equipped with the world-renowned triad locking mechanism, it can support over 600 pounds of hanging weight without failing. Whether it's the sheer reach or the lightning-fast pocket deployment, the Espada XL is a terrifyingly effective tactical masterpiece. When discretion meets devastation, you get the Schrade SCH-F44LS boot knife, known as the Needle. This blade is engineered for deep concealment and lightning-fast deployment, making it a premier choice for tactical professionals who need a reliable last-ditch defensive tool. It features a massive 7.62-inch double-edged spear-point blade, meticulously crafted from 7CR or 17 MOV high-carbon stainless steel. This aggressive design includes a non-reflective black coating, partial serrations on both sides, and a distinct fuller groove. The overall length reaches a substantial 12.66 inch, providing an incredible reach for a boot-carried knife. Despite its intimidating size, it remains remarkably easy to manage, weighing in at just 5.1 ounces. The textured TPE handle ensures a rock-solid, non-slip grip even in wet conditions, while the included leather sheath offers a secure clip for both belt and boot carry. The Sidanku C1140 fixed-blade knife is a masterclass in affordable tactical engineering, proving you don't need to break the bank for elite performance. Often called the Stinger, this compact fixed blade is designed for those who demand a high-performance backup tool that excels in both piercing and precision cutting. This knife features a total length of 7.6 inch with a razor-sharp 3.4 inch blade. The blade is crafted from premium D2 steel, ensuring exceptional edge retention and abrasion resistance in the field. The handle measures 4.1 inch and is made from durable textured G10 for a secure grip. Despite its overbuilt feel, it weighs only 4.77 ounces, including the Kydex sheath. It's a low-profile powerhouse that provides immediate tactical readiness without the bulk. The good worker karambit folding knives prove that a terrifyingly effective tactical tool doesn't have to be expensive. This hawkbill-style folder is designed for the fluid, rapid movements of close-quarters combat, featuring a lightning-fast spring-assisted opening that ensures you're never caught off guard. It features a curved 2.36-inch tiger claw blade, crafted from 440C stainless steel, hardened to 60 HRC for superior edge retention. The overall length of the tool is 7.68 inches, offering a full-sized grip while remaining compact enough for EDC. The handle is made from lightweight anodized aluminum and features the iconic retention ring for total control in both forward and reverse grips. Despite its aggressive profile and solid liner lock system, it weighs in at just 4.06 ounces. It is a budget-friendly powerhouse that brings professional-grade lethality to your pocket. The Mossy Oak two-piece Bowie knife set is a classic tactical duo designed for versatility and style. Whether you're clearing light brush or prepping a campsite, this set provides a reliable combination of a full-sized hunter and a compact companion blade. The specs for the primary knife are built for agility. It features a 6-inch clip-point blade made from stainless steel, finished with a unique laser-etched pattern for a modern look. The overall length of the tool is 10.5 inches, offering a balanced feel in the hand. Despite its traditional Bowie profile, it is remarkably lightweight at just 7 ounces. The handle is crafted from stacked leather with ergonomic finger grooves and a steel pommel to ensure a secure, non-slip grip. Complete with a dedicated nylon sheath for each blade, this set is a functional and affordable powerhouse for any outdoor kit.